Mostly nervous because I've never done this before. And I don't really know if I am really scared of heights.
Nervous and excited.
What?
Nervous and excited.
Are you still excited? Are you still nervous? Ay, puti ka! Hindi.
Where is it? Oh, that one.
Diyan, sa loob. Though this is hard.
But why is the rope still up then?
Oh no. It's good. The wall.
There's someone bantaying that one. Where's the door?
Wala
That
na.
one?
Doon lang sa...
Oh, the person. I think.
We just opened. Have a seat, nanay.
Sa kakao, no, hindi mo kaya. Zabi.
Ang wala pa pala ka-try how?
Ah,
Sila makal?
ang dua, pero... How do you feel?
Intimidated, nervous, and excited.
Why?
But mostly nervous because I've never done this before. And I don't really know if I am really scared of heights because I feel like I've not.
Yeah,
But
now you'll know if you're scared of heights. Bet you can do it. Good job. You
Nervous and excited.
what? Nervous,
Nervous and
excited.
excited.
Are you still excited? Are you still nervous? How about the two of you?
I want to watch them actually already.
What?
I really want to watch them go really up high.
Yeah. I got to take a... Are you gonna climb? Climb ka.
like that kind of wall. I've seen all these kind of walls. Try mo lang.
Try first.
Since this is their first time here, we opted to have the 50 peso per climb. It depends on you kung anong mas gugustuhin nyo. Pero for us, we wanted to test the place first. So, eto ngayon sila wearing their shoes. One is size 8 and one is size 9. Guys, nga pala, if you do plan to come here, especially if you're gonna bring your kids, I suggest you check the weather first. It's better if it's not raining so that it's safe for your kids and safer for your kids and mas may enjoy nila if hindi umuulan.
Ay, puti ka! Ay. Hindi set. Alert!
Hello.
You're so fast! This is the level 2. Sige, Jay.
The rope needs to be between your arms.
Say hi to the vlog, Charot. Oh, vlogger. You said you're gonna vlog.
Hi everyone.
Oh, look at that.
Hi everyone, this person abandons every channel he makes. So don't follow him. He will just abandon you.
So please do follow us here on YouTube, the Gabiosa family, and share to your friends.
Welcome to Bazket Bacolod.
I don't want to go to basket.
Want to wait?
What?
Para ting pagitiya. Uy.
Aro, 20 pesos. Zabby is gonna treat everyone.
Isang old May bayad? Oo, sir. 20 sir. Sige. Sige, sir.
Here, window. Where's the bayad?
Ito ang coffee culture. Oh. Coffee culture. Tacos.
Now now we are touring around the Bazket place. It is a marketplace. And there's so much food like milk tea, coffee. There's also food like from Thailand, from Korean, from Filipino food. And when you go to the end, there's also a lot of clothes. And there's also a lot of tables and chairs where you can eat in. There was even like a unicorn shop there.
What are you gonna eat?
Fries.
Rice topping.
Fries.
Fries? Fries only? I think they're not. What's that? Chicken?
Orange chicken with fries.
Yes, ma'am. May smaller bill. Sige, try to. Sige na ito sa amin.
Tapos beer, ano?
Beria. Or kaya sa Beria. Kaya may mozzarella. Mozzarella naman.
Ano? Ang pala pa rin.
Kaya sa Beria. Kaya may mozzarella. Ang Beria wala mozzarella.
Beer tapos. There's that. Chicken.
Alpas.
And this is my best find here at the food market. It's the birria. It's very good. Go check it out.
Sir, sulod lang sir. Kaya sulod mo to. May isa ako nga pasudlo na.
Kaya na to sang salakyan niya, kasi
Oo, kaya na sir. Pernira ka lang.
Ay, nako talaga. See? Nakakainis naman.